Hey, happy campers. Long time no update. Lot of developments. We're buying our tickets to India.
I hope. How many times?
Yeah, it's a long story. Basically, the past 3-4 days. We applied for the visa. Yeah, visa came in like one day. And then we found the perfect ticket for us. It was tonight, and we're actually fly tonight. But somehow we tried so many different cards, we couldn't get the payment through. So now we're looking for another flight, and we found one that's soon that we're gonna try to catch. Let's see. So guys, these are all the stuff I'm taking to India. It's not a lot, just some clothes, sleeping bag, some gear, and then there's the other stuff. All of these, and I have to organize them all, and I don't know why I have so much junk. We're still in Beykoz because of this card. We needed to get the HES code, and funny story. I was about to leave. I was about to buy the ticket and leave to India, so I was like, all right, let me close my phone line, and I closed my phone line, so it's not usable, and I don't have a usable phone now, a SIM card, and we're still looking for a ticket. Okay. And we're going to Kadikoy today.
Yes.
On the way to Kadikoy. This is where Maddie used to work, near Imar Mall. There's a kindergarten where she used to work, and we're also going to pass by where Maddie's favorite ever mall is, Acacia Mall. And here it is, Maddie's favorite mall. Also, and finally we made it to Kadikoy. So many memories here, and I'm so tired. Buses are so uncomfortable. Why do buses even exist? And Giovanni, you guys remember Giovanni, my Italian friend? He recommended a house for us, a house where they host travelers. Apparently it's like Anarchy House or something. And it's somewhere in Kadikoy, so that's where we're headed next. Over there somewhere. So yeah, let's adventure awaits. Let's continue our adventure. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, Europe is over there. We were looking at Europe, and we're in Asia. This is Asia. And for those of you who've been here or remember from my old videos, this is Kadikoy. Oh, hi cat. Kadikoy. Here we are in Kadikoy. Look at all these shops. Alright, see you guys. And we came to visit Bebek's graveyard right over there. Thank you, Bebek, for being part of my life. I move on now. Enjoy your peace. Hola, Graham.
Hello.
Hola, uncle. Hola, Burchabi.
Interview.
Interview. Bye bye, güle güle. Kendinize çok iyi bakın. Tamam. Biz de teşekkür ederiz. Here we are, continuing our walk, and we came to this old train. You guys remember this place from my previous videos? It's Soğutlu metro station. I've been here a few times in my videos, I think. You can take a picture with my GoPro. You want a picture? Or my phone? Here. Grim forgot, didn't take his phone, so he wanted to make a photo, and let's make a photo.